Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, see how to. Click on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell beside this. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Very much. Can you bring it down? DJ MJ, can you bring it down? Just the last charge from His Excellency, the man with the vision for this African Drum Festival. He will give the last shot addressing all of us here. Senator Dele Amosun, CONFCA. Can we make some noise? It's been wonderful. 3 days of fun, excitement, and showcasing of our rich cultural heritage. And right about now, the curtain is about to fall, as His Excellency will address everyone here.
Well, good evening. What can I say other than to thank all of us that we have all been wonderful. Let me start with our KBCs. Thank you, sir. Professor Olu Jacobs and his lovely wife, thank you. All the dignitaries that are here, thank you. But today, I have to thank especially all the performing troops, different groups, different associations from all over Nigeria and indeed the continent of Africa and even beyond. Thank you. Merci to those that speak French. And I think salam alaikum to those that speak Arabic. And to all of us back home here, thank you. God bless all of you. Thank you for allowing us in Ogun State to use drum as a tool, a veritable one, a good catalyst for developing our economy and our social. So thank you. Over the last probably 3 days, indeed before the 3 days, I'm sure we've been running around and we are developing through those running around. We have been able to achieve a lot of things. Thank you for identifying with us. We are going to call you again. Year in, year out, we'll be calling you. And year in, year out, we'll be improving on the way. We are going to be improving year in, year out on the organization, the logistics, indeed, and the comfort that we will be providing whenever we are having this African Drum Festival. So I am thrilled, I am happy, I am grateful. So on behalf of the government and the entire 7.2 million good people of Ogun State, I have to thank you, I have to commend you. This is what we are saying, that when you are determined, when you are ready for something, it will happen. The tenacity of purpose, we know what exactly we want to do, and that is why we set out to do this. There's nowhere in the world that drones is not important. I said it yesterday, and I'm happy that at the workshop that Professor Olu Jacobs did yesterday, of course, they actually collaborated that. Indeed, they actually rub it in that we had our own internet before the Western internet that we now have, or what I call the global internet that we have. We were using drone then as a form of social media to inform, to communicate, to entertain, to do a lot of things. And we will continue to look and use drone to achieve so many things. All that was said yesterday, I was actually taking my notes, and you will see that come next year, you will see that we will have include those your suggestions in the preparation, in the organization, and putting together what we are doing here tonight. So once again, I want to appreciate everybody, and I want to say that all of us will get back home safely, everywhere we are from in the continent of Africa. We will get back home safely, and indeed those of us from Ogun, everybody have converged here. So thank you. God bless all of you. I'm going to now close this 2018 African Drum Festival. I'm going to close it now. Everybody has played their part, and I'm happy to be, I'm sure I'm happy, not happier than me.
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. And how to subscribe? There's exactly everything. Go TV, click on it, you see a subscribe button, click on the subscribe button. That's so. And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.